This is a fancy apple cake. But, do you have to make it like that? Not necessarily. There are many possibilities as you can see here. The basic one is a naked apple cake. Like this. The basic cake is an upside-down apple cake made with full apples. This gives you the opportunity to fill the apples with ground nuts and sugar. Another option is raisins that are great in this cake too. You cover the apples in batter, then bake the cake in the oven. As I said, this is an upside-down cake, so you have to loosen the edges and invert the cake onto a plate, just like this. Now, talking about the toppings, because this cake has sliced almonds on top, you can leave it like that, and it looks good. This one doesn't have anything on top, so you can either leave it like that, or cover in whipped cream. You can also add sprinkles or other toppings. It looks better like that, but this cake tastes good anyway. It is a light and juicy cake, very refreshing too. If you want all the bells and whistles, then you can make it like this. Have the sliced almonds on top of the cake, and add a little bit of whipped cream and maraschino cherries. Wonderful! Any way you make it, this cake tastes great.